afternoon. This is Jason Scott. It's about 1:39 here on Central Time in the U.S., and we're looking at a ramping up storm over in the Western Pacific. This is Typhoon Guchol, and it is really ramping up. It's a Category 2 typhoon at the moment, and it's forecast to get even stronger to a Category 4 typhoon in the Western Pacific. It is roughly located at 660 nautical miles to the south or southeast of Manila, Philippines, and this is tracking off to the northwest at around 7 knots over the past 6 hours. And then the animated infrared satellite imagery depicts a very small compact system. It's about 110 millimeters wide, and that's in the center, and there is a dense overcast with a banding feature over the southeast portion of the circulation, and it's also developing a cloud covered eye. And the maximum wind velocity that's estimated, and they have to estimate their winds because they don't have aircrafts like we do in the U.S. that fly into the storm and measure and drop instruments down into the center of the storm. So they have to estimate, and they're estimating 90 knot winds currently. The system is in favorable conditions to intensify. There's no shearing effects. It's not running into any issues with that. As you can see on this particular infrared satellite imagery, this is coming from NOAA. It's showing a lot of convection. It's ramping up. It's a small circulation. It's very small and it's tight knit. So that meaning that it's pretty powerful once it pushes off to the northwest there, and it's going to eventually turn more toward northeast when it gets higher in latitude, and also decrease in intensity down to a Category 2 and 3, and then eventually a Category 1, and then become extratropical as it pushes off through the northeast. Again, this is a Typhoon Guchol. It is actually a Category 2 typhoon, and folks, over it's affecting some landmass in that area. It's quite a bit of flooding and mudslides expected over the Philippines, and it's going to be a big breaking news event happening in that part of the world. Again, that's the latest that we've got on this severe typhoon that's developing now in the Western Pacific. You can get the latest if you go to our website at cyclonewarningcenter.com. That is cyclonewarningcenter.com. We'll have the latest on this typhoon in the Western Pacific. Thank you. Have a great afternoon.